Hey y'all, by the title of the video, y'all already know I will be doing a mini review on new products that I purchased on my own. Some are new and I will let you guys know what they are. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. This is the glam. Control. So I really do like this brow pen, definitely replacing my NYX brow pen. This is new as well to me. This is L'Oreal Panorama. These 8+. These are super good, super soft towelettes. But I'm gonna try the L'Oreal Blur Perfect. I bought this new powder. I heard really good reviews about this powder. Powder puff. This is from Morphe. So I'm gonna pick it up. And you see how much product I picked up? I just wanna like dab it in the back because a lot of product stays on the puff. Okay, make sure. So y'all see my dark circle still? I feel like there's like a weird patch underneath my eye. I'm really excited to try these products. I believe Ortega soft contour lip liners. I got the color Nubes and Cinnamon Girl. The packaging is so cute. We're gonna just try the color Nubes first. Okay, so it's more of like a mauve, like a nude, Cool Spice vibes. y'all need to try these because I think these are gonna be my new favorite lip liners. I'm so glad I bought these two because these are gonna be replacing them for sure. 100% would recommend this product. I just love how thin this is. Super thin, bro. This one is really good if you want to do like really tiny strokes. I really recommend the eyebrow pencil. So for the powder, I think I'm gonna keep trying this powder out. I don't know if it's the concealer I put under. I just feel like I have to try it more to tell what I mean. But there's like separation. The makeup wipes I really liked. Super soft, super moist. I feel like they are softer than the Neutrogena wipes. This is the final glam. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, and repost, please.